Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage your customer relations with Salesforce. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open Salesforce and log into your account. Navigate to the Home tab to access your dashboard. Locate the Contacts section to manage your customer information. Click on New Contact to add a new customer. Fill in the required fields, including first name, last name, email, and phone number. Save the contact by clicking the Save button. To manage existing contacts, go back to the Contacts tab. Search for the contact you want to manage using the search bar. Click on the contact's name to view their details. Review the overview of the customer's interactions and history. To add notes, scroll down to the Notes section. Click Add Note and type in your comments or updates about the customer. Make sure to save any notes you add. Now, to track customer interactions, navigate to the Activities tab. Click on Log a Call to document a customer call. Fill in the details of the call, including date, time, and notes. Click Save to store the interaction. For deeper insights, go to the Reports tab. Select or create a new report to analyze customer data. Look for patterns or trends in customer interactions. Utilize the dashboard to visualize important metrics. To follow up with customers, create tasks in the Task section. Click New Task, fill in the details, and assign due dates. Save the task to keep your follow-ups organized. Finally, review your customer relations periodically. Adjust your strategies based on data and feedback gathered. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.